Mrs. Fhatima, she came from Somalia with a complaint of something coming down from her uterus and prolapse of the bladder, and she came long way from Somalia to be treated here in Apollo Hyderabad, and we have done removal of the uterus and we repaired her bladder and everything, and she is going finally discharged from here after 3 days of staying in the hospital. Next, Fhatima and her husband will tell about the experience in the Apollo hospital.
waxaan ka imid magaalada Muqdisho, waxaan u imid Hyderabad caafimaadkayga inaan ka samaysto. Ilaahay mahadiis waxa isbitaalka Apollo ayaan imid. waxaan ka sameeyay shaybaar, waxaan ka sameeyay inaan dhakhtarad ka helo oo Jasmin la yiraahdo. waxaan ii sameeyay marka kaadi haysta iyo ultraha oo iga xanuunsanaa oo banaanka loo soo bixiyay. kaadi haystana booskeeda ka dhacsaneed, booskeeda ayaa loo celiyay. caafimaadkaygana aad iyo aad ayuu u wanaagsan maanta. waxaan mahad u celinayaa tiimka Jasmin iyo isbitaalka Apollo.
My name is Ahmed Ali Mohammed, Fatima's husband. We came here to treat my wife. We came from Somalia. We have been here for several days to test her problems. The problem she had was her uterus was infected, and her bladder has removed from its position to lower position. So Apollo Hospital has investigated and tested. So they finally she has gone under treatment. She had a operation without cutting. So we have been here for 3 days treatment. So the uterus was removed and the bladder was positioned properly. So now we are very comfortable and we are feeling happy. We have received and got our proposal of arriving to India, especially the treatment. So we thank for Apollo Hospital, and especially we give our special thank to Jasmin and its team who have tried their best since we came here, and we hope Fhatima to have a good health in the future, better than as she was. Thank you very much.